Connect L1 out to L3 to the main switch. Connect N1 to the neutral terminal block. Connect PY to the ground terminal block. Connect gas pipe to the gas port, then connect with nitrogen gas cylinder, oxygen gas cylinder or air compressor. Open the water inlet in the cabinet. Add purified water or distilled water up to the blue area. Turn on the switch. Turn on the knob switch and the screen lights up. The water temperature is automatically heated to 26 degrees Celsius. Long press the setting button to adjust the temperature. Regulate higher or lower temperature if needed. The password is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There is language setting in the lower left corner. Choose your language setting mode, save and return for fully saving the settings. Generally, the frequency 50 Hz is used. If you reduce it down to 30 Hz, you might import more lasering power. If you take it up to 100 Hz, you impart less lasering power. The scan width is 1 to 300. Input the scanning with the cooling tool. Your cleaning with surface. The peak power must be less than or equal to the laser power on the parameter page. Press import button, save button, then return button for successful saving the data. The lasering power can also be adjusted by moving your hand and the laser head closer to the surface for more power or further away for less power. After use, close the protective window on the cleaning head. Close the water cooler knob. Turn off the air switch to completely shut down the machine.